Alright, boys and girls, every now and then something's gonna happen on your truck that's gonna be a pretty dang simple fix, and sometimes it's just nice to have the necessary tools to be able to fix it, right? So I want to give you guys a little demonstration on how you fix a heater when you got something in there. Now, me personally, I like to make life easy, so I went on to Amazon and I bought one of these Aoben, I can't even pronounce it, electric wrenches, and it seems to do pretty good where my flashlight go. And what I got going on is in my fan heater, a piece of garbage has somehow squeaked past the filter, and it sounds really funny. So I got to go in there and figure out where the problem is and fix it. So bear with me, I'll be right back. Show you how easy this is. So the tools you'll need for a job like this is a decent electric wrench. Takes a T20 socket normally. Oop, going the wrong way. Don't want to strip that out, guys. Yep, going the right way now. Put that back on it. Show you guys how easy it is when you got the right tools. And this wrench right here didn't cost that much. I'll leave a link down below for you guys can check it out. But I would say this little wrench is a must-have. Sure does beat using a socket wrench. Not saying a socket wrench doesn't have its purpose, but these things sure are nice. I think I know what my problem is, how trash keeps getting past this filter. Okay, that one's loose. So we got all four of those loose. It took less than 30 seconds. Ah, there's my problem. Damn old cigarette wrapper. We better check down in there to see what we got going on. Yes, I know I need to change that. I don't see any reason why trash should be getting past that. So we'll go ahead and put that back in. No, it does not smell. So we'll push that forward. Make sure it goes all the way down. Airflow's going in. It is down. So I'll be right back and we'll put it back together. Alright, we're back. And we're going to go, I like to start off by threading the little screws in first. Obviously the one under the dashboard's a hell of a lot more difficult, but it's just as easy if you have the proper tools. Now that's why they say mechanics, it costs so much to go to a mechanic, because obviously if you had the proper tools to do a job, you wouldn't need a mechanic. You do everything yourself. You know, you have the manuals, the professional know-how, things like that. So keep that in mind, guys. That's why mechanics charge so much. So let's make sure we're going the right way. We are. Put some light down here. Don't go too fast because you'll strip it. Alright, look how easy that was. I saved like fucking $300 from going to a mechanic. Guys, get yourself one of these electric wrenches. I'll leave a link down below later, y'all.